Hello beautiful people. Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to share some amazing secrets to achieve radiant skin naturally. No products needed, just simple lifestyle changes. Listen attentively to all that is going to be said, as it contains valuable information, and make sure you catch every word. So let's dive right in. First up, drink plenty of water. Water helps to flush out toxins and keeps your skin hydrated. Aim for 8 glasses of water per day. Carry a water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. You can even add flavor to your water with fruits or herbs for a refreshing twist. Next, focus on your diet. Eating a healthy diet is crucial for glowing skin. A diet rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides your skin with the nutrients it needs. Choose whole grains over refined grains and limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Now, let's talk about sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for vibrant skin. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Regular exercise is another key to radiant skin. Exercise increases blood flow to the skin, delivering nutrients and removing toxins. Find an activity you enjoy and do it regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Managing stress is equally important. Stress can make your skin look dull and tired. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Identify your stressors and find ways to cope with them. Finally, protect your skin from the sun. Sun damage can cause wrinkles, age spots, and other skin problems. Wear sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. Apply sunscreen to your face and body, and wear protective clothing, like a hat and sunglasses, when you're in the sun. Remember, it's okay to start small and gradually incorporate these healthy habits into your routine. It can be understood that a busy lifestyle can make it difficult to follow all of these tips perfectly. If you find that you need to use a few essential skincare products, consider researching options that suit your individual needs and preferences. For some suggestions on essential skincare products that might work for you, check out the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips on beauty and wellness. Have a great day every day and stay blessed.